Alright, hello and good morning and welcome back. This is Derek. I'm going to show you how not to pay BMW to recalibrate your suspension, and it's free. And how's life behind bars? Not these bars, these bars. Anyway, let's get back onto what we got to do. Right, first of all, you need a smartphone, an Android smartphone. You need the motor scan app, and you need one of these, the Unicar Scan 2001 Bluetooth, which plugs here into your diagnostic port. That plugs in there. Your bike's got to be on a centre stand. If it ain't on a centre stand, you have to jack it up somehow so the back wheel's off the ground. And I'll run through it, how easy and simple it is. So you have to turn your ignition on. I'll plug this in first. Yes, this is this new type plug. They do work with the old type plug. You buy the adapter. You do buy the adapter, which will work it. And you need what they call no, it's not that. It's this one here. It's called the motor scan app. But before you can use that, that's plugged in. I'll turn my ignition on and make sure you got a good battery, at least 12 volts or more, because it won't register. So what I've done with mine, I've just put it in the Optimate charger there. These three bars at the top there, you press them and you do an adapter check. See if I can get this. And it's doing the thing there. Interface present Uniscan car scan, definitely right. And you know when it's right because you have the 3 green yeses there, which is good, very good. Here are the bikes. You got the C series. Come here, let me come see if I can do it this way. Yeah, there we go. You got the C series, the G, the R, which is the boxer engines, the big 11, 12 and the 1250. You got the Escavana, you got the S series, which is this bike. You have the K series and the S series. It can do everything on them bikes that BMW can do, this app. So they're all the models of the K series and F series. Mine's the K82, which is this bottom one. Get in there and focus. So I've put a star on it. There we go. It's so simple. I want to do an electric suspension, so I press that. And on this model, I've got no front electric suspension, non-adjustable. Disgusting BMW this is, non-adjustable. But I know that's had different springs fitted, but I want to upgrade them still again. Right, that's mine there, the semi-active suspension. Please wait. Right, service functions. Before I do that, I'll just read out any fault codes. I don't think it's got any. No trouble codes have been found. So I want to do a service function, and I want to do an ESA calibration. I'm going to see See if I can get that in focus. See if I can get that in focus. There we go there. Carried out before the delivery date or whatever, and such a things like that. Can take up to 5 minutes, but it doesn't. Believe you me, it doesn't. Right, press next. Right, I'll come round here because you won't be able to see the shock absorber move otherwise. So if I put that there, as you can see, I press perform operation. You'll hear a noise, the ESA thing going off. So count down in 3, 2, 1, perform. Right, so suspension there is coming out. Just there, it's coming down. See the silver? It's pushing the shock down, compressing it, and now it's going back up. There you go. That's it, that's it. That's done, job done. And it says here, focus. Bloody, it's the sun. Sorry about this. I'll have to turn this way. Focus it there. Function complete and successful. Switch off ignition for 10 seconds and switch back on. So I'm going to turn my ignition off. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So turn it back on. And that's perfect still. So I'm going to press the close button. And the next one I'm going to do is the ESA sensor calibration. So press that. Right, to ensure the ride height sensors are calibrated successful for the running gear to be completed, relieve the load of the vehicle. In other words, you have to have it on vehicle for running vehicles with the main stand with a high curve. Relieve the load must be carried out support by means of a suitable measures by a jack if you haven't got a centre stand. This has, so it's on the centre stand. So I'll do go next and perform. This don't take long. That's it. Switch off engine for 10 seconds and then back on. And that's everything on the electric suspension side recalibrated to BMW standards and specs. So yes, I'm thinking of getting the Touratech adjustable shock absorbers on the front of shocks, the springs, the cartridges actually, sealed cartridges. So I want them. Oh, shut up alarm. So let's turn that back on and that's it. I can close that down. Go back. So I've got to hold my phone careful because you've that many buttons on iPhones. Right, that's it. Right, read out any fault memories. What we got there? No faults, codes being found. No trouble, codes found. So everything's spot on with this bike now. Keyless ride, you got your keyless, your tyre pressure control, everything. You name it. Telematic performance, tyre pressure, side view assist, which I ain't got, the anti-lock brakes, your headlights, you've got authority modules, basic modules, anti-theft, you name it, it does everything, literally everything. Anyway, that's how you save yourself at least 100, 150, 175 quid, what BMW want. And they just charge you for that, you know what I mean? And this £65 for that. Motor scan app, I upgraded because I had the Pro, but some of the stuff didn't work. You have to have the Ultimate. I had to pay, I think it was another 34 quid, about £54 to have the top motor scan, the Ultimate one, which is that one. And that'll do everything your bike needs. So reset all your service, even on them dashes, yeah, even on that sort of dash, analog and LCD. But that's everything. Anyway, that's a wrap, and that's how you calibrate your BMW suspension. Yes, one more thing. I say the car Uniscan plug-in plugs in there, as you know. Android phone with a motor scan app, you can just fit it in there in a nice little case. And also, that's it, because it's Bluetooth. So if you're on a tour or a ride and you get a warning light come up on your dash, you can find out exactly what's wrong straight away at the side of the road. You know what I mean? So no expensive recovery if you can get it sorted. You clear the fault or anything like that. So they are well worth the investment. I swear by them. Anyway, thank you for watching this video about how to calibrate a BMW F850 GS Sport. And I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Bye for now, Derek.